The Iraqi Dinar community has been set ablaze by the latest intel confirming that the long-anticipated revaluation RV is now closer than ever. Trusted sources and market insiders suggest that major institutions have already started preparing systems and exchange windows to handle the incoming surge of IQD transactions. This update has created a massive alert for investors, signaling that change could be imminent. For over a decade, investors worldwide have waited for a signal that the Iraqi dinar would rise in value. This new intel matters because it isn't just speculation, it comes from sources tied to banking institutions, government contacts, and market analysts. If true, this could transform the landscape of global finance and open unprecedented opportunities for those holding IQD. The confirmation of revaluation intel has ignited hope among Tier 4B holders, private investors, and global traders. Many believe this is the tipping point they've been waiting for. If the RV happens at the rumored rates, small investments could turn into life-changing wealth, reshaping the futures of countless families worldwide. When it comes to the Iraqi dinar revaluation, perhaps the most telling evidence comes not from speculation, but from the banking sector itself. For months now, reports have surfaced that some of the world's largest financial institutions, Wells Fargo, Chase, HSBC, and Bank of America, have been discreetly preparing their staff and systems for a potential flood of IQD transactions. Leaked intel suggests that banks have held specialized training sessions for managers and exchange staff. These trainings cover procedures such as authenticating high-value IQD notes, handling lower denominations, preparing private contract rate agreements, and ensuring that all transactions are secure and fraud-proof. Many insiders claim that dedicated exchange centers and redemption hubs are already equipped with scanners, security systems, and private offices, all designed for swift processing of large transactions. Outside the US, European, Middle Eastern, and Asian banks are said to be equally prepared. Some financial experts believe that the IMF and World Bank have quietly issued internal guidelines to ensure a smooth rollout across multiple continents. Iraq's central bank, too, has been strengthening its partnerships with international institutions, signaling a coordinated effort at the highest levels. For investors, this kind of readiness is a game changer. It suggests the RV is not merely a what-if, but a planned financial event already in motion. Every detail, whether it's upgraded systems, trained bank staff, or the quiet buzz in international banking, circles points toward a financial reset that could activate at any moment. The global financial machine seems poised and waiting. And that readiness itself is perhaps the strongest signal yet that the RV countdown has begun. If the Iraqi dinar RV goes live, the ripple effects will be felt across foreign exchange markets, commodities, trade systems, and even global politics. A revalued dinar would instantly reset Iraq's position on the world stage, giving its oil-backed economy much greater weight in global negotiations. In the Forex markets, IQD trading could surge to unprecedented levels, sparking volatility and creating new opportunities for speculators and institutional investors alike. The potential alignment of the Vietnamese dong VND alongside the dinar could multiply this effect, producing what many are calling a dual currency shockwave. For years, analysts have speculated that the VND might ride the wave of the dinar, and if both currencies revalue close together, it could set off one of the most significant currency shifts in modern history. Energy markets would also face immediate shifts because Iraq's economy is heavily oil-dependent. A stronger dinar could influence oil pricing, contracts, and even supply agreements. Countries that import Iraqi oil might have to restructure payment systems, potentially impacting global fuel costs and inflation rates. But the ripple effects extend beyond economics. A strengthened dinar could also alter geopolitical power dynamics. Iraq would hold stronger leverage in OPEC and international trade negotiations, and regional stability could improve as financial confidence grows. For everyday investors, the story is one of both risk and reward. Sharp market movements may create volatility, but they can also generate life-changing financial opportunities for those who hold IQD and VND. What was once considered speculative might soon be a defining event in the reshaping of global financial systems. In modern history, for investors who have held on patiently, this moment is not just about money, it's about validation. The signals of readiness from trained bank staff to upgraded financial systems suggest that this IQD, a random rumor, but a coordinated plan moving into its final phase. If true, the AV could reset financial landscapes, alter oil markets, and even reshape global trade agreements. The impact won't stop at Iraq or Vietnam. A stronger dinar and dong could trigger a domino effect across world markets, creating volatility but also unlocking opportunities for those who've prepared. From forex traders to long-term holders of IQD and V, this is the kind of once-in-a-lifetime event that can change lives overnight. Of course, risk remains. Global markets are unpredictable, and nothing is guaranteed until official rates are released. But the mounting evidence, the banking readiness, and the sheer scale of anticipation all point to something extraordinary on the horizon. The key takeaway: stay informed, stay prepared, and stay patient. Because whether it's tonight, tomorrow, or very soon, the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong could deliver a shockwave that the world has been quietly preparing for. And those who are ready may be the ones to benefit the most. This isn't just financial news. It's history in the making.